Guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about the Samsung Galaxy M30s. So this is an unboxing of the device. Let's look at the specifications. We have a 48 megapixel main camera, a big battery of 6000 milliamps and 64 gigabytes of storage. Now let's see inside the box. We have the SIM ejection tool and the paperwork inside. Yeah, warranty card, quick start guide, etc. The usual paperwork. Now let's see on the box. We have the device itself. Now let's look at the device for a little bit. This radiant color is very nice. This device is kind of thick actually because of its big battery. Let's power up the device. On the box we have the Type-C cable and the charging brick, and nothing else really. This is the Indian version of the device, as you can tell from the charging brick. Okay, now let me just close the box and continue with the menu on the device. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna skip everything and go straight to the menu so you guys can see. Okay, so everything is set and we are ready to go. Now let's look at the toggles real quick. Yeah, first thing I like to do is to try the dark mode and see. Let's do some scrolling. Scrolling is fast. Now let's go to see the version of the phone. Let's go to About Phone, Software Information. Yeah, we have a One UI core of 1.5 and the Android version is Android 9 or Android Pie, whatever you guys want to call it. Now on the system update we see that we have the latest version of 1 August of 2019, and yeah, let's look at the screen brightness real quick also. Yeah, so basically this is it. I mean, the device is fast, it has a big battery, it has a nice camera, a 48 megapixel one, and you have the feature of the wide angle camera and the focus, I mean the bulky, whatever you guys call it, the photo with the blurry background. I have the A50 here. You already saw that the device is thicker than the A50. So basically this was the video, guys, and thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.